So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is day 7th of learning AI. So now we have seen in the previous videos how to import a Numpy library and how to use it. Now we'll get deeper into that Numpy. Now I'll quickly write this as day 7, deeper into Numpy, or I'll just take it as Numpy. Okay. Uh, yeah. Now we have seen in the previous section like the power of factorization and how the power of NumPy. Now we're going to see how we can create what you call that array straight like how we created in the Python using range. Okay, so to do that, I will take one array. Array is equal to or simply 1D array 1D. Take it as array 1D, or else I'll first import numpy as np. Here only we'll take array 1d is equal to np dot previously we are used to use np dot array. We are going to use now arrange. Here we need to pass exact like a range in the Python. So first is a starting of the element. Let's say for example 0. The second parameter is a last element which is exclusive, which won't include in the final result. I will say I will take as 15. Now I will print this array 1D. Maybe this is arrange. Sorry, here it is spelling mistake. Yeah, see here we are able to get this only array, right? And also we can able to print a matrix also. You can see not matrix like we'll take it range. Here we'll provide the steps also in the exact like arrange 0. I'll provide 1, 2 to 21 with 2 as what the difference. Instead of array 2, I will take it as even array. Okay, now we're going to print this even array. For time period, I will comment this out. See, we can able to get this output as even numbers. So I like I said previously, like the second parameter which is exclusive. Okay, so here it is not included here. Yeah. Now so there are like say for example I want to add the data later. So I want to first I will create first what the array. Later I will add the data. So for that we have on two methods are there. Those are zeros and ones. So for that I will take a zeros array as np dot zeros of 6. Then I will print this dot zeros. See here this is very convenient in the AI that if you want to add data later you can use this zeros. Also there is ones also. which you can call it these methods are placeholders like that. There also one you can able to see this range here. If you want in diamond like in the matrix, you can pass a tuple 2 by 3 matrix I want. So I will comment it this out. I will see the ones. See, we got the ones matrix, right? Yeah. Now let's say for example, I want to check the shape and the dimension of this array. How to check in the AI or in the Python? It is very important to know the shape and dimension of the arrays. So for that, NumPy will give or like all the NumPy array have the predefined attributes called dot shape and dot endim. We'll quickly show you the what by doing this. So I will take one array array example exam is equal to np dot arrange will take with from 2 to 7 will take us 9 will take. I'll print this np dot example, execute this. So we here the now we can see the output, right? So here what I'll do for this array dot exam, I will add one attribute that is shape. So it will give me the shape. See, we got the shape. What this supposed to mean? This supposed to mean there are 7 elements in this array, means one dimension array. Here we didn't got any extra thing, right? Like that's supposed to mean it is one dimension array. Like there is one another attribute array exam dot endim. Endim means how many dimensions. So it is one dimension. This is the array, this is the shape, this is one dimension. Like that I will show you for a matrix. It will be very convenient you to understand. P dot array will take. So before that we will take array 2 dimension is equal to 1 2 or we'll add 2 day array 1 comma 2 comma 3. First array has 3 elements, second array also has 4 comma 5 comma 6. I will pass that array 2D in the matrix. So it will be, it is plain Python array. Now it will be converted to NumPy array, np dot array. Now we'll print this array. It will print this array along with the shape, along with the dimension. So we got this array from here to here. This is the dimension. This is the shape. Here you can see the array has two arrays, and the two arrays of each array has 3 elements, means this is 2 rows 3 columns. I hope you understand. Means this array has 2 arrays. This is first array, this is second array. Each array has 3 elements. Okay, now endim means how many dimensions. See here, first you can if you want to know the dimension without checking this, just come here, just look it out. How many open brackets are there until you will find first close bracket? There are one, two. There are two open brackets, means 2D array. Yeah. Now I hope you got that logic. Now we'll see indexing and slicing. We'll take one 2D array. Yeah, array 2D is equal to np dot array. Else we'll take 1D array only. Array 1D is equal to np dot range from 2 to 20. We'll take. We'll print. We got this output. Say, for example, I want to get this element. What I'll print? I'll add get the fifth element. So if element fifth is equal to array of 1D of 4 means fifth index. I hope you got this logic. Means the first index is 0, then fifth index is 1. This 1 2 0 1 2 3 4. This is the fifth element 6. Into fifth element you get 6. We'll comment this out. See, you get sixth element. Now we'll apply this thing in matrix. Matrix equal to p dot array is equal to, I will take this 2D array, copy, paste. We'll add, you will include that array in 2D. I'm going to print that matrix. We got that matrix. Say for example, I want to access this fifth element here, this number 5. What I need to do is here I'll directly print matrix matrix. So see, this is 0th element, this is first element. So I want in the first element, I want the first, in the first element, I want the first element. This is 0th index, this is the first index. So first index of first, we'll comment this out. We're supposed to get 5. See, we got the 5. Let's say, or else we'll take this in separate. Now we'll print this. Yeah, we got the 5. Now what print? Let's say for example, I want all the elements of 0th index, or all the elements of all the first index elements, or yeah, first element and index. So what I'll do, I'll matrix get all the 0th index element first. Not like this, it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, see here it is telling this get all the elements of first index. This is the first index, this column represents get all the elements. The same way, if I want I want to get to 5 means the column. Then we need to add get all the elements of all the get all the elements get all the elements of the row with column 1. So here we supposed to get one array with the 2 comma 5 as row. See, we got this array with the 2 comma 5 as the elements. Okay, this is what indexing look like. So we'll try to uh, I'll try to explain the boolean indexing also. Let's say for example I'll take a ratings one array p dot array. Here I will take some 4.5, 3.0, 2.98, 5.0, 4.0. Yeah, these are the ratings. Now I want to get the ratings, the good ratings. So I want to check the good ratings. Is good ratings. So we'll use the Numpy power. So we'll directly add condition to the ratings itself. Ratings greater than or equal to 4.0. So here it will what it will do. So if the ratings are greater than 4.0, get all those ratings indexes. Okay, so for 4.5 is good rating, yeah. Greater than 0, so it will get that. It is not, it won't get, it is also won't get. So it will get this index. So here we'll get this index. So now, so oh, I'll take one array as only good ratings is equal to ratings of is good rating. We're going to print that. Yeah, see 5.4, 4.5 is a good rating, 5 is also good rating, 4 is also good rating. So if you want to know what this is like, what is the output of this thing, I'll comment this out. I'll print this. It is only a true false value. So this is true because 4.0 is great, 4.5 is greater than 4.0. The 0th index is true. It is false. 2.8 is false because it is less than 4.0. It is greater than or it is equal to. So that's why it is true, false, true, true. So because of this, we got this output where and all true is there, that will print. Okay, yeah. This is this is it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep watching. Thank you.